Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we'll be showing you about an app Zello and how to use. Let's get started. Zello is the free push to talk app that turns your phone into a live voice messenger. It is a very fast and a simple way to communicate in real time. It is available for Android, iOS and even desktop. Whether you are coordinating with staying in touch with friends or preparing for emergencies, Zello keeps you connected. Now let's move to how to use. First, you'll have to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. Tap on your App Store, then search Zello on your search bar. Then after this icon pops up, tap on that, and after you open it up, you'll find the install option right here. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once you're in, you'll need to sign up or log in if you already have an account. And once you signed in, you can set off your profile name and picture. So now to add contacts or join channels, you can talk one-on-one by adding contacts or join public or private channels like group chat. Many users can listen and speak in real time. Now for the fun part, just press and hold the big microphone button to talk. When you release it, your voice message plays instantly for the other person, just like using a walkie-talkie. Zello even works on Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you can leave voice messages when someone's offline. There's also a hands-free mode perfect for driving or working. From family chats to job site coordination, Zello is trusted by everyone and it is a reliable voice communicator app. So this is how you can use your Zello app, and I hope you guys like this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.